Hi everybody, I hope you're all safe and healthy. And here I am in my house in Istanbul, and I know a lot of us are stuck at home these days, and especially if you're living with other people who are also stuck at home, that could be a big challenge if you play DARBUKA, because not everybody wants to hear you practicing. And I wanted to show you a few ideas of how you can practice without making noise. So if you have a drum like this, you can mute it by putting some kind of cloth inside. This is just a scarf. You could use a towel or whatever, and put it inside the drum here. Now the further you put it in, the more it'll be muted. So if you only want to mute it a little, you could just leave it there. But you see it's still making noise. So if you want to mute it even more, you can push it until it's actually touching the drum head, and then quieter. The other thing you can do is practice the kick. Now the kick is the hits where you just hit on the rim, not on the drum head. And that's actually a great way to strengthen the fingers, is just practicing the kicks. So let's start with this exercise. It's 5-7, 5-7, and then 1-3, 1-3. So 1-3, 1-3, 1-3, 1-3, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, and then you could go 5-7, 5-7, 1-3, 1-3, 5-7, 5-7, 1-3, 1-3, 5-7, 1-3, 5-7, 1-3, 5-7, 1-3, 5-7, 1-3, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, 5-7, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. And then half, 5-7, 5-7, 1, 5-7, 5-7. And then half, 1, 2, 2, 2. Let's try it a little faster. Here's the one that uses the pinky, which is so soft anyway, so this is a great opportunity to practice your pinky, which I call the 4. So we're going to go 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7. And then we're going to go 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. Don't worry, we'll break it into 2 parts. So let's just work on the first part. We have 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7. I'm really hitting this as hard as I can, and you can hardly hear anything, so this is great. The second part, we're going to go, it's exactly the reverse, so we're going to go 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. So now we're going to put those 2 back to back. So we're going to go 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. So this is a massage for your brain as well as an exercise for your fingers. 4, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 5 7 5 1 3 1 4 1 3 1 5 7 5 7 8 5 7 5 1 3 1 3. What a workout. The other thing we can do is practice the things that are really soft anyway. For example, I'm working on something that I call the hanging roll, and where you brace your thumb on top of the drum and then you go, which is so soft anyway, at least for me. So that's a good opportunity to practice that. So like you could take a rhythm. Is that hard?